In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notion for your business. Start by going to Notion and landing on your home page. This is your main hub, where you can access your existing pages and quickly get to tools that help you build new systems for your business. Next, click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion provides ready-made templates that can save you a lot of setup time, especially when you need a structured starting point for planning and documentation. Once you are in the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type in the word business. As you type, you will see template results begin to appear. Click the business search results so you are viewing templates related to business planning. From the template results, find the business plan builder template and click add. This will bring the template into your Notion workspace so you can edit it and make it your own. If Notion asks where to add it, select the workspace location you want. In this walkthrough, you will click where it shows the member count, such as 1 member, to confirm the workspace area where the template will be added. After that, click again to confirm the selection, and then open the template by clicking Business Plan Builder. You are now inside a complete business plan framework, organized into sections that you can fill in at your own pace. A helpful tip is to treat this like a living document. You can update it as your strategy changes instead of rewriting everything from scratch. Now begin exploring each section by clicking into it. Open Executive Summary to capture the high-level purpose of your business and the key goals. Then click back to Business Plan Builder to return to the main dashboard. Next, click Company Overview to document what your company does, who it serves, and what makes it different. Move into Market Analysis to organize research on competitors, customers, and market trends. Then open Products and Services to clearly describe what you sell and how it delivers value. Continue with Marketing and Sales Strategy to outline how you will attract leads and convert them into customers. Then click Operations and Management to document how the business runs day to day, including roles and workflows. After that, open Financial Plan to track revenue assumptions, costs, and targets. Finally, click Risk Analysis to record potential obstacles and how you plan to handle them, and then click Appendices for any supporting documents, links, or extra details you want to keep with the plan. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.